Welcome, friends, to day 6. I'm glad that you are joining me today to sit in meditation for 6 minutes. So go right ahead and take a comfortable seat of your choice. One that allows you to sit with the spine straight. And whether you are sitting cross-legged, Seiza, which is sitting on the heels, or on a chair, make sure you use a cushion to sit as high as needed to bring the knees below the hips. And this allows you to tilt the pelvis forward in order to maintain the natural curve in the lower spine. Then lift the sternum slightly and tuck in the chin. Then bring one hand onto the belly and the other onto the chest. And start with the abdominal breathing, so the lower abdomen expands as you inhale and contracts on your exhale. Continue breathing like that. Then go ahead and lower your eyes downwards, but keep them slightly open. And today we're going to be counting the breath on every inhalation and exhalation from 1 to 10. So before we begin, take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Inhale, count 1. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. Inhale, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. Inhale, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Continue counting on your own. If you lose the count, simply return to 1. I'll mind the time and let you know when to end today's meditation. Then on your next inhale, take a deep breath in. And exhale fully. Bring your attention back into the body and relax the posture. Then when you're ready, blink your eyes open and become aware of your surroundings. Take your time before you get up. Thanks for sitting along with me today. I hope I will see you all tomorrow. So take good care for now and enjoy the rest of your day.